In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur faces in Photoshop. This can be incredibly useful for maintaining privacy or creating an artistic effect in your images. Let's dive straight into the process. First, ensure that you have Adobe Photoshop open on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the Adobe website. Once you're ready, open up the image you want to work with. You can do this by going to the File menu at the top of the screen and selecting Open, or simply drag and drop the image file into the Photoshop window. After your image is loaded in Photoshop, the next step is to make a selection around the face you want to blur. There are several tools in Photoshop to help with this, but for precision, the lasso tool or the quick selection tool are your best friends. You can find these tools on the toolbar, usually located on the left side of the screen. Simply click and drag to create a selection around the area you want to blur. Don't worry if it's not perfect, as we can adjust this later. Now that you have the face selected, it's time to add the Gaussian blur. Navigate to the top menu and click on Filter, then hover over Blur and select Gaussian Blur from the drop-down menu. This will open a new dialog box that allows you to control the intensity of the blur. There's a slider you can move to increase or decrease the blurriness. Keep an eye on your image as you make these adjustments to ensure that the blur looks natural and satisfies your personal preference. Generally, a blurred radius between 10 and 20 pixels works well, but feel free to experiment. Once you're happy with the blur effect, hit OK to apply it to your image. Before finishing, you might want to refine the edges of your selection. If they appear too harsh or obvious, consider using the feather tool to soften them. You can access the feather option under the Select menu, and it will help create a more seamless transition between the blurred and unblurred areas. Finally, remember to save your work. Go to File, then Save As, and choose the format that best suits your needs, whether it's JPEG, PNG, or another option. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to blur a face in Photoshop, enhancing either privacy or creativity in your photographs. Don't hesitate to practice with different images to perfect your technique. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.